Hi, Patron Techer. So we're first going to go to youtube.com. So I'm here now. So under this homepage on the top right, you're going to see where it says sign in. You will click that button and then you're going to choose your account. So in this case, I'm going to choose my SJSU account and then that will log you into YouTube. Okay, so now you're logged in. On the top right, you're going to click the initial of your name, and then you're going to click on YouTube Studio. This will take you to the studio page of YouTube. This is where I was saying that you will find all the analytics of your page. Then you will click on this top right button where it says create. This will display a pop-up. Let me clear this blue screen out first. And then where it says upload videos, you select that. Here you can drag and drop your files to upload, or you can select your files and then you would just go ahead and find your video files and attach them there. And then those will begin to upload. Another way that you can do this is if you go back to the YouTube main page. You have to be logged in to see this. But here on the top right, see that little button there? That's the same one. So you're going to select create. And then upload video. And then you can go ahead and upload videos of your business information. It takes you directly to this portion, so it makes it a little bit quicker, especially if you have a lot of videos to upload. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to let me know. Thanks.